Okay, a couple of things to finish off then. So I start here on Fireworld, I move down here, start here, move down here, I can go and approach this person, kill that boss, go to there, go to Iceworld, wander around, I might have another boss here or something, I go to this one, and I end up in Desert World over here. I'm actually going to right click here and just set my starting position as here, move to here. Just so that I can not have to go through all these worlds. I can just start here, and I'm going to add a final end of level, end of game boss, and then I'm going to get a game over. So I will right click, new event, double click a final character. I'll have something that looks like that. Now, what kind of thing can I have as my final character in the desert to kill? I'll go to Tools, Database, Scorpion, maybe? Anything better I could get as my final level boss? What about a skeleton? I'll have a skeleton in the desert. Change it to skeleton. Go to troops. Skeleton. Here, so I'll have a skeleton here and I'll pick my skeleton from there. That's fine. So I've now got a troop that's a skeleton. I should be able to right click on him, edit the event, double click here, tab 3, battle processing. I should be able to choose skeleton. There it is. So I can fight the skeleton, and then once the skeleton's finished I can double click on there and I've got a game over screen. So that's my final skeleton. Once it's dead I get a game over. I'll click apply. I've moved myself from Fireworld from here to Desert World here, just so that I can test it, and I'll play it. And I'll just see if once I kill the skeleton here, see if I get a game over screen. And I get a game over screen. I might just finish it off and tidy it up by just changing the titles and things like that. I can do that by going to Tools, Database, and going on System here. This is where I added my parties in at the beginning. Game title, I can get, I'll call it Mr. Jones's Game. A bit boring, but it'll do for now. And maybe I can have a title screen. Can be, that's background music, battle, victory ends, game over. I can change all of these, but one thing that I probably want to change is maybe my title of my graphic. Instead of being that, I'll have it as, ooh, that looks quite good. I'm going to have it as Devil and Dragons. So now it's called Mr. Jones's Game, Devil and Dragons. I could change some of these if I wanted to, some of the sounds and things like that. I'm going to leave them all okay. And I'm just going to see how that title screen now looks. A bit better. instead, and I get my game over. I might decide just finally, just to finish off, that music's getting a little bit annoying, so I might just go to Tools, Database, back onto System, and maybe just change the background music theme to something slightly different, maybe my battle theme to something slightly different. Maybe my victories just something slightly different. I can play around with these, and now I've got some different music hopefully as well.